I'm Sadie Menicucci.
And I'm Audrey Mori.
And welcome back to this week's M-Beat.
This week on the M-Beat, we have a bowling recap, a feature story on the Black Student Leadership Council,
a hair braiding contest, and a news story on the career fair.
First off, Helen and Emily did a bowling recap.
The Marian bowling team had a very successful season. They ended it with a winning record of 14 wins and 11 losses. Two seniors, Jenna and Margaret, speak about their favorite highlights from the season.
I would say key highlight was of course, Mr. D, our coach, but Coach Ted Bear really helped us get to state. He bought us all multiple balls and shoes, and I think he gave us some good tips, and I don't think we would have gotten out how far we got without him.
A highlight for me was definitely going to state because it was a lot of fun and it was just a really good experience.
They finished 6th in Metros and became the first ever Team State qualifier. Next, we get an explanation for the fun cheetah print skirts.
The cheetah print skirts, every year the seniors pick the color of the skirts, and since we were the seniors this year, I thought it would be fun to either do, our options were polka dots, ombre, or cheetah print, and I thought cheetah print was really in season, so we all got cheetah print.
Overall, the Marian bowling team finished 5th at state. The seniors Ellie, Jenna, Gabby, Margaret, and Sammy led the team. Margaret and Gabby were the first ever 4-year varsity bowlers in Marian history.
Gabby Burkle returned to the state tournament for the second time representing Marian. If you are interested in bowling, grades 5 through 12 will have the opportunity of going to a summer camp at Marian. This has been Emily and
Helen
reporting for the M-Beat.
Thank you, Emily and Helen.
I wish I could bowl.
Next up, we have a feature story on the Black Student Leadership Council created by Kennedy, Kiki, and Alexis.
On February 5th, the Black Student Leadership Council hosted a Black History Month program at the Rose Theater open to high schoolers, family, and friends.
I was a part of the dance program, and it was really nice to meet new people and get to know them through the many practices we had to prepare for the show.
The show was really good. I really enjoyed it. It was very entertaining. It showed people more about Black culture through dance, singing, poetry, and much more. I'm really looking forward to being a part of it next year.
Here's some behind-the-scenes footage over the past 5 months of preparing for the show.
Thank you for that wonderful piece, girls. Now, Emmy shows us a segment on braiding hair.
Hi, I'm Lily.
I'm Lena.
And we're the freshmen.
I'm Ivy.
And I'm Vivian.
And we're the sophomores.
Hi, I'm Reese. I'm Cleo. And we're the juniors.
Hi, I'm Ellie.
I'm Nora.
And we're the seniors.
We're the seniors.
Thank you, Emmy.
Braiding doesn't come that easy to me.
Ha ha. Layla now gives us an illustration of the career fair.
On February 25th, Marian had their annual career fair cab. Students had an opportunity to talk to people representing various careers and businesses. The different stands were decorated, and employees offered anything from product testing to sweets to merchandise and more. For the past 2 years, the fire department has visited, wanting to emphasize to students how it is a rewarding and exciting career. Catherine Hurd says her favorite part is the welcoming students and staff who ask intellectual and relevant questions. They are engaged and often eager to learn. Hurd notes how firefighting is not a common career young girls think about. It is fun to talk to them about the fire service and show them that they can truly be anything they want to be. I am a 5'2" female firefighter, says Hurd. People are often shocked when I tell them, and I absolutely love getting that reaction. She wants to show students that hard work, resilience, and discipline go a long way in any career.
Why do you think it is important to have a career fair?
I think it's important because it gives all the girls an opportunity to see like what's out there once they get to college, and that can help them decide on what they want to do, what would be their potential passion for the rest of their life.
I think it's also important that like they can get a taste for what jobs are out there.
What does Marian do well with their career fair?
It always has like a bit of variety, so like there's always like doctors, firemen, accounting, finance, there's always like hairdressers. I think they just like do a really good job of like giving us a wide range of different jobs.
There's a lot of like professions like you wouldn't even think about.
Save your skin.
Wear sunscreen or you'll end up like him.
This has been Layla Wilkie-Conant, Broadcasting 3 student reporting for this week's Mbeat. Thank you.
Thanks for your insight, Layla.
Didn't know someone my height could be a firefighter.
This has been Audrey Mori
And Sadie Menacucci reporting for the Marian M-Beat. Thanks for watching this week's broadcast.